So nowadays people want more connectivity and less wires. Why not make it possible in the earbuds? So here I present Hammer Solo TWS earbuds with the Bluetooth version 5.0. So let's talk about the goods and bad of these earbuds in this video. So without any further ado, let's dig deeper. So here comes our Hammer Solo stereo Bluetooth earphones, and this one is having Bluetooth version 5.0, which is pretty great. So as you all know the advantages of having Bluetooth version 5.0, which can be seen here also. Okay, the box is pretty great, and here you will find more about TWS BT earphones. This is the model Solo version 5.0, and the operating range is around 15 meter inside the house, so it would be around 20-25 meter in open space. The charging time is approx 2 hours for the battery, and they can go up to 120 hours in the standby time. Battery capacity for each earphone is that 43 mAh, and they operate at 3.7 volt. The battery capacity for charging case is 380 mAh, so the charging case can charge around 4 times your earbuds when they are in the case, and the input is 5 volt 500 mAh. I would recommend you to use the charger as specified here. Do not go beyond 500 mAh, otherwise it can damage your charging port. It supports profile like HFP, A2DP, HSP, AVRCP. So now let's unbox it and let's find out more about these earphones. Okay, so here they come. It looks fantastic. Let me remove these earbuds. The weight of these charging port including the earbuds is around 37 grams, which is pretty great. So here comes the usual manual guide. Here we are having a micro USB cable. Apart from that, here we are having different type of earbuds, so it can fit perfectly in your ear. Now let's talk about the quality of these earbuds. So here you will find the micro USB B slot for charging, and there is no button on it. Also the battery indicator can be only shown when you plug in your USB cable. Take these earbuds out and let's pair them for the first time usage. These are pretty solid built in, so it will require a little bit of power to take them out. The pairing process is pretty simple. Just take out the earbuds and both of them will be paired by themselves. You need not to do anything, and you will find white and red light indicator, which means they are ready to pair. All you need to do is that you need to search for them, and here you can find that it shows Hammer Solo right, because we are using the right one to pair. Although you can use them separately also if you want to pair, and they can work on 2 different devices separately, which is pretty good. So they are having 100% of battery life. So let's fire up a music app and let's do sound and button test. Now let's do the play and pause functionality, whether see it will work or not. Boom, it works super, and you can do it by both of the earbuds. So if you are using the right earbud or left earbud, you can just tap it once and you will find that they can enter to play or pause. And the button is pretty tactile and very responsive. If you want to go to the next track, just double tap the right earbud, and if you want to go to the previous track, just double tap the left earbud and you will be in the previous track. So there is no functionality of redialing the last contact, but yeah, if no call is coming, you can reject it or you can receive the call by these earbuds, but you cannot redial by using these earbuds. So if you want to call your voice friend, what you need to do is that you need to just press and hold the main function button for 1 second, and you find that you successfully activated the voice stand, and now you can give the commands, which is pretty great. So the mic quality is pretty great on these earbuds, so you can definitely go for voice calling or video calling with these earbuds without any doubt. Once you have done using these, just put them back and they will go in this port and they will start charging by themselves, which is also pretty great. Now I want to show you one more thing. They get automatically connected to your phone once they have been taken it out. Let me show this here how it works. All you need to do is that you need to take your earbuds out of the charging case, and they will be automatically paired within themselves and also with your phone. Let me show you here whether they have been paired by themselves or not. So here comes our music app, and boom, start playing. So that is pretty great. The case is pretty sturdy and they will not come out of the case even if you are trying to pull them out. But if you throw these earbuds, they will definitely fall out of the box, so do not throw these earbuds. So these earbuds are passed in our sound test and button test. So now when we talk about the sound quality and comfortability, these are awesome. And to my surprise, these are connected with my S10 Plus, which is kept like 15 meters apart, and they are still working pretty well. which is pretty great. So these powerful earbuds weighs just 9 grams. So they are not heavy and they will not create any problem once they are in your ears, and you can enjoy the music seamlessly. The sound quality is pretty great. The vocals are clear, so they do have sufficient amount of bass, but that is not the deep bass. So if you are looking for just deep bass and nothing else, I don't think these ones are for you. So you can get 5 hours of battery backup from these earbuds, which weighs just 9 grams. So these earbuds are highly recommended for anyone who want to enjoy the music to the fullest without the hassle of wires. So the Best Buy links for these earbuds will be in the description below. Go and purchase from there and enjoy the music to the fullest. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content and this video was helpful to you. Hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed till yet, what you are waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get latest video notifications whenever I upload such new videos on my channel.